Hey guys, happy Saturday, late afternoon, early evening, whatever floats your boat. This is Deanna. A little bit uneven here. I'm always a little uneven, aren't I? I just wanted to show you guys kind of a fun little idea. I know you've seen me post a few images before about soup sleeves. So I wanted to just show you how I've been making those for my dad. And it's really fun and easy, and it's kind of a fun thing to do if you have, hosts that you want to give a gift to. You're going to parties soon, or teacher gifts, or gifts for a new neighbor that's moving in, all kinds of fun stuff. So what you need is brown rice, red lentils, green lentils, some dehydrated vegetables, which I just got this off of Amazon. You will need a whole bunch of Epicure products. I'll go over that real quick. The Epicure funnel makes your life a little bit easier, and of course a measuring spoon so you know what you're doing, and a 1/3 cup. So I have a sleeve. Hopefully I can get just one here. Live television. Okay, so dropping things. So this is just a plastic sleeve. Again, I also got this off of Amazon, and this is a 3x11 size. And you need some kind of jar to kind of support while you're doing this. It's a little bit easier than trying to juggle. So as you're filling the soup sleeve, hey Julie, hey Pam, kind of do it in an order that'll make it be pretty. So I like to start with the red lentils. And for the red lentils, the rice, the green lentils, and the dehydrated vegetables, it's 1/3 cup on all of those. So you kind of want to hold the little funnel and your sleeve upright. Minimal spillage. All right, red's done. Let's do some brown rice. That's kind of a neutral color. The soup that I'm making is that mango coconut curry. It is gluten-free and dairy-free. You could certainly add meat if you wanted to. All right, let's do the other color lentil. Hey Megan, I'm just making a soup sleeve for fun. Green lentils. Of course, you could use any color lentil you want. I am pretty smart, Megan. I've done this before. Hey Linda, I'm just making a soup sleeve. All right, so I've done red lentils, some brown rice, and then some green lentils. Now I'm gonna add the Epicure. This is where it kind of gets fun. Let me scooch this around. So I need a lot of Epicure, right? We've got the mango curry. We have the regular curry. We've got toasted onion. We've got vegetable broth, minced garlic, and then the herb garlic sea salt. So let me think. I'm gonna keep the curries together. I'm trying to organize how the coloring of the layers is gonna go. So mango curry, that's a nice, beautiful orangish color. So I'm gonna use the 4-in-1 scoop. I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons of this, get right in the sleeve. So we've got a nice little tannish, orangish line there now. And I'm just gonna keep that going by adding 1 tablespoon of the regular curry. There we go. Then, just checking my recipe. I need 2 tablespoons of the vegetable broth. If your funnel gets clogged, give it a little squeeze, am I right? All right, broth is in. Then we just have the toasted onion and the minced garlic left. Those are pretty potent. The minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of this is equivalent to a medium garlic clove. So if you like garlic, go for it. But if you're a baby, be careful. And then the toasted onion, 1 teaspoon equals 1/4 of a medium onion. So with this, I am going to switch my spoon around and I'm just doing 1 teaspoon of each of these. Very easy. And then the very last Epicure ingredient is the herb garlic sea salt. And I like to add that because Epicure is super duper duper low in sodium. So if I'm making this for a gift for somebody, they might not be aware of that and it might taste kind of bland. So I like to just make sure that I've added salt to anything Epicure. So I'm using the grinder. I've grinded a healthy amount and that's going right in. Then the last thing we need, you can see it so far, kind of, sort of. My light, I need to get better lights in here. I feel like I'm always super overhead. But this is the dehydrated vegetables. I just got this off of Amazon. And it's the deluxe vegetable soup blend. So it has just dehydrated carrots, onions, potatoes, peas, celery, bell pepper, parsley, green beans, like a ton of stuff. And it's really colorful and really pretty. So I like to make sure that that one is on top. So let's see if I can successfully get a 1/3 cup of this to top it off and not spill the whole thing. There we go. And then the sleeves that I got, they came with pretty little foil twist ties. Everything looks better with a little bit of sparkle, right? So you can just twist tie it off. And ta-da! Isn't it pretty? Would you like to have that for dinner? So the finishing recipe is super duper easy. You just add this. You could do it in a big simmering pot or in your Instant Pot, whatever floats your boat. But you just need 4 or 5 cups of water. You're going to need an onion, a sweet potato, dice those up. Toss it all in, simmer it until the beans and everything are cooked. That's like 45 minutes simmering on the stove. Maybe set your Instant Pot to 20 or 25 minutes. And then in the very end, after everything is cooked, you will just add a can of coconut milk and mix it all up and you're good to go. So there you go. We are making these while supplies last on Tuesday. If you could come to my house for the Instant Pot 101 class, you can go home with one. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need the recipe again. I know I kind of rattled it off fast, but good to go. Have a great Saturday night. Thanks for watching.